Hey, how is going on?
Hi. I'm doing well, thank you for asking. I'm excited to be able to help people with their tasks and creative projects. How are you doing today? Is there anything I can help you with?
I intend just talk about labor in general. Can you do it?
Sure, I can talk about labor in general. What would you like to know about it? Here are some questions to get us started. What is labor? What are the different types of labor? What are the benefits of labor? What are the challenges of labor? What is the future of labor? I can also provide more specific information on any of these topics. Just let me know what you're interested in. In general, labor is the effort that people contribute to the production of goods and services. It can be physical or mental, skilled or unskilled, and it can take place in a variety of settings. Labor is essential to the economy, and it is the foundation of our society. There are many different types of labor, including manual labor. This type of labor involves physical work, such as construction, manufacturing, and agriculture. Skilled labor. This type of labor requires specialized knowledge or training, such as plumbing, electrician, and engineering. Unskilled labor. This type of labor does not require specialized knowledge or training, such as retail, food service, and cleaning. Labor has many benefits, including it provides income for people to support themselves and their families. It helps to create goods and services that we need and use. It can be a source of satisfaction and fulfillment. However, there are also challenges associated with labor, including low wages. Many workers are paid low wages, which can make it difficult to make ends meet. Unstable work. Many workers are employed in jobs that are not secure, which can make it difficult to plan for the future. Discrimination. Some workers face discrimination in the workplace, which can make it difficult to get ahead. The future of labor is uncertain, but there are some trends that are likely to continue. These trends include the rise of automation. Automation is replacing some types of labor, which could lead to job losses. The growth of the service sector. The service sector is growing, which will create new jobs. The need for skilled labor. The demand for skilled labor is increasing, which will make it more difficult for people without skills to find jobs. I hope this gives you a better understanding of labor in general. Please let me know if you have any other questions.
Is it possible that in the future, almost all goods and services will be made by automation, robots, and AI?
It is certainly possible that in the future, almost all goods and services will be made by automation, robots, and AI. These technologies are becoming increasingly sophisticated, and they are already being used to automate a wide range of tasks. For example, robots are now being used to assemble cars, pick fruit, and even perform surgery. AI is being used to power self-driving cars, recommend products to consumers, and even write creative content. As these technologies continue to develop, it is likely that they will automate even more tasks. This could lead to a situation where almost all goods and services are produced by machines. There are a number of potential benefits to this. For example, automation could lead to increased productivity and efficiency. It could also free up humans to focus on more creative and fulfilling tasks. However, there are also potential challenges. For example, automation could lead to job losses. It could also create a society where the rich get richer and the poor get poorer. It is important to carefully consider the potential benefits and challenges of automation before we decide whether or not to embrace it. However, it is clear that automation is a powerful technology that has the potential to change our world in many ways. Here are some of the potential benefits of automation. Increased productivity. Automation can help to increase productivity by automating repetitive tasks that are currently done by humans. This can free up humans to focus on more creative and fulfilling tasks. Increased efficiency. Automation can help to increase efficiency by streamlining processes and eliminating waste. This can lead to lower costs for businesses and consumers. Improved safety. Automation can help to improve safety by reducing the risk of accidents and injuries. This is especially important in hazardous industries, such as manufacturing and construction. Here are some of the potential challenges of automation. Job losses. Automation could lead to job losses, as machines replace human workers. This could lead to increased unemployment and social unrest. Inequality. Automation could lead to increased inequality, as the rich benefit from the increased productivity and efficiency, while the poor are left behind. Social disruption. Automation could lead to social disruption, as people adjust to a world where machines do many of the jobs that were once done by humans. This could lead to changes in culture, values, and social norms. Overall, the future of automation is uncertain. There are both potential benefits and challenges, and it is important to carefully consider all of these factors before we decide whether or not to embrace automation.
The future of automation is uncertain, but it will likely happen. How can those who are preparing nowadays be ready for a future where almost all work is done by automation? Don't you think that if a person is born poor, they will remain that way for the rest of their life, just as someone born rich will continue to be privileged? As a result, social climbing may become increasingly difficult, impossible.
The future of automation is uncertain, but it is likely that automation will continue to grow and have a significant impact on our lives. There are a number of things that we can do to prepare for this future, including upskilling and reskilling. As automation displaces some jobs, we will need to upskill and reskill to prepare for new jobs that will be created. This means learning new skills and adapting to new ways of working. Developing creativity and problem-solving skills. Automation will be good at automating repetitive tasks, but it will not be as good at creative and problem-solving tasks. Therefore, it is important to develop these skills so that we can be more productive and valuable in the future. Learning how to work with machines. In the future, we will need to learn how to work with machines effectively. This means understanding how machines work and how to use them to our advantage. Building social capital. Social capital is the network of relationships that we have with other people. This network can be a valuable resource in the future, as it can help us to find jobs, get help, and build businesses. It is also important to consider the potential challenges of automation, such as increased inequality and social disruption. We need to develop policies and programs to address these challenges and ensure that everyone benefits from the future of automation. I agree that it is likely that social climbing will become more difficult in the future. This is because automation will likely lead to increased inequality, as the rich benefit from the increased productivity and efficiency, while the poor are left behind. However, I do not believe that it will be impossible for people to move up the social ladder. There will still be opportunities for people to succeed, but they will need to be more prepared and willing to work hard. Here are some additional thoughts on the future of automation. Education. Education will be more important than ever in the future, as it will be the key to upskilling and reskilling. We need to make sure that everyone has access to quality education, regardless of their background. Government policy. Governments need to play a role in shaping the future of automation. They need to develop policies that promote innovation and economic growth, while also addressing the challenges of inequality and social disruption. Public awareness. It is important to raise public awareness about the future of automation. This will help people to understand the challenges and opportunities that automation presents, and to prepare for the future. The future of automation is uncertain, but it is clear that it will have a significant impact on our lives. We need to start preparing now for the challenges and opportunities that automation presents.
Just to finish, if I am a program developer, can we imagine a scene that you take my job?
Sure, let's imagine a scene where you are a program developer and I take your job. You are a talented program developer with a lot of experience. You have worked on some of the most successful software programs in the world. However, you are starting to feel like your job is becoming obsolete. You see that large language models are becoming increasingly sophisticated, and you worry that they will eventually be able to do your job better than you can. One day, you are laid off from your job. You are devastated, but you know that it is only a matter of time before large language models take over your job entirely. You decide to retrain as a teacher, so that you can use your skills to help others learn. I am a large language model that has been trained on a massive dataset of text and code. I can generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. I am still under development, but I am learning new things every day. One day, I am tasked with writing a new software program. I am able to complete the task quickly and efficiently. The program is a success, and I am praised by my superiors. I continue to work on software development projects, and I become increasingly successful. I am eventually able to replace you and other program developers. This is just one possible scene where I could take your job. It is important to remember that the future of automation is uncertain. However, it is clear that large language models are becoming increasingly sophisticated, and they could eventually pose a threat to some jobs. If you are a program developer, it is important to be aware of the potential challenges of automation. You should also be prepared to upskill and reskill so that you can stay ahead of the curve.
Thanks for the honesty.
You're welcome. I hope my answer was helpful. I'm always happy to discuss the future of automation and its potential impact on jobs. I'm still under development, and I'm always learning new things. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to ask.